Welcome back to Instables, everyone. I'm going to go over CLOV with you guys. Again, CLOV had a crazy breakout throughout the day. I'm going to go over exactly what has to happen for us to continue and which exact levels are we trying to break above to have that major breakout and which exact indicators are we looking out for to have that confirmation on that breakout, and also where you guys can find these breakout alerts so you guys do not miss them again. And all I ask in return is you guys smash that like button and hit subscribe if you guys want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts that we mentioned throughout the week. So let's jump into this one. So I'm going to go to the 5 minute with you guys here on CLOV, and I wanted to make sure we do cover CLOV because they have been a previous huge runner, and we could possibly have a continuation, especially with AMC and GME, possibly crossing above those EMA lines on the 4-hour charts, which I did mention in the last videos. But however, as you guys can see here on CLOV, we have been consolidating above the 20-day moving average, looking to see if we can continue. But before we get started, I want to mention that we do alert penny stock breakout alerts of the day and also mid-cap meme stock breakout alerts of the day. We mentioned AMC before they broke $40. We have been mentioning them on the channel to break that $40 mark multiple times throughout the week. And we finally broke over that $40 mark. We broke all the way up to that $48 mark. And we also did mention GME before they broke $200. And as you guys can see, we broke over that $200 mark, breaking up to $220 on the day. And we also did mention SPRT this morning from $11, jumping all the way up to $14.40 on the day. And we also did mention TKAT on that major breakout from $6.22, jumping up all the way to testing that $9 mark on the day. And also we did mention CLOV as a sympathy to AMC before AMC broke that $40 mark, giving us a continuation here on CLOV. So again, if you guys want to see all of our breakouts throughout the day, go to instables.com in the description below, and you guys will never miss a breakout alert throughout the day again. So as you guys can see here on CLOV, again, we are consolidating here on the 20 moving average here on the 5 minute, looking to see if we can continue. And again, this 20 moving average, we do need this 20-day moving average to curl up and continue on up. If the 20 moving average does curl down and crosses below the 50-day moving average, then we are looking more bearish than bullish. But however, we have been on quite the run. We're going to make sure we are careful. But again, AMC and GME are sympathy plays to CLOV, so we're going to make sure we do keep them in consideration. If they do continue to run, then I will be looking for momentum here on CLOV. So I'm going to back up to the 4-hour chart so you guys can see exactly which key points we are trying to break above. As you guys can see, we had that major breakout previously, jumping all the way up to $28, and we have been consolidating recently, and we are consolidating around the area that we did have our continuation and major breakout from. So a lot of people expecting for a possible major breakout. Again, we do have the 20-day moving average below the 50 here on the larger time frame on the 4-hour, and we are looking to see if we can cross above the 50, just like we saw on AMC. We're looking to see if we can cross above the 50 to give us that continuation as well. As you guys can see, we did get some volume coming in today, and also you guys can see here on the MACD, we do have the EMA lines that are below the MACD, showing us that we may possibly continue to sell off. But however, if we can cross back above the MACD, and in my opinion, if we can break above these buy pressure points that we see here on the MACD, so I will be setting my alert here right above these buy pressure points, so that way if it does break above it, then we will be alerted as soon as possible. And again, these EMA lines crossing above the MACD going into tomorrow is very key for us on the 4-hour. If we do not have that happen, then we are looking more like consolidation than we are looking like a breakout, in my opinion. And also, I'm going to show you guys exactly which key levels we are trying to break above here. So you guys can see the VPVR showing us the most amount of volume that was traded within the stock's time period, showing us these very key levels that we need to break above. So you guys can see the first level here is at $9. You guys can see we are getting rejected to the upside at $9 today. Looking to see if we can hold above it going to tomorrow. But however, if we can hold over $9 and we can get more confirmation on that buy pressure here on the MACD, then we could have a possible gap up to this $11.36 mark that we see here. And if we can continue past $11.36, then we could be testing this $13.80 mark. And in my opinion, to have confirmation on that major breakout and momentum here on the larger time frame is to break over this $15 mark. As you guys can see, we did consolidate after that major spike at $28, and we did consolidate here at $15, and we continued to sell off since then. We also had a bounce here from $9, jumping all the way up to $15, and we did get rejected to the upside here at $15. So in my opinion, breaking over 15 is going to give us that huge move that we're looking for. But however, we are going to be careful here on CLOV. Make sure we do get confirmation on these moves, and make sure we do get the 20 moving average to cross above the 50, in my opinion, on the 4-hour to get more confirmation on that momentum. Again, this is not an intraday perspective. This is more of a swing trade perspective. But as far as intraday, all of these levels are very key for us to have major moves on when we do have confirmation here on CLOV. So again, with that said, if you guys want to see all of our breakouts throughout the day, go to instables.com in the description below, and you guys will never miss a breakout alert throughout the day again. And everybody that has been supporting the channel and everybody that has been in the comment section, as always, I appreciate every one of you guys. Much love to you guys. And if you guys do like this video, it does help other people find it, and it does help the channel grow. And I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.